Hello everyone, this is Y Malika Reddy from CSM branch. My topic is about the determine the integral by changing the order of integration. The change of order of integration. The change of order of integration. The change of limits of integration. If the region of integration consists of vertical slip and slide along x-axis, then the change of order a horizontal slip and slide along y-axis are to be considered by f2 of x. Type 1. Given integral f of x comma y dy dx x minus a y equal to f into f of x, and identify the required region. Draw the vertical slit which is parallel to y-axis in the region of integration since y limits are varying so that these limits slide along x-axis. Change of order of integration. Draw the above diagram without vertical slit. Draw the horizontal two slit which is parallel to x-axis in the region of integration. Find point of intersection if any. If the region is bounded by different curves and limits, then slit the region into some parts if necessary. Draw the various horizontal slits in the various regions which are parallel to x-axis. Take or fix y limits as consonants. Consider x limits in terms of y by using horizontal slit. Integral x equal to a to b, integral y equal to f of x to f2 of x, f of x comma y dy dx minus integral y to d, and integral x minus f1 y to f2 of y, f of x comma y dx dy. Do the integration with respect to x and find, and then with respect to y. Type 2. Given integral y equal to a to b, integral x minus f1y to f2y, f of x comma y dx dy. Integral y into a to b, integral x equal to f1y to f2 of y, f of x comma y dx dy equal to integral x minus c to b, integral y equal to f of x to f2 of x, f of x comma dy dx. Evaluate integral 0 to 4a and integral x square by 4a to 2 root ax dy dx by the change of order of integration. X limits x equal to 0 to x equal to 4a, and y limits y equal to x square by 4a to y equal to 2 root ax, x square equal to 4ay to y square equal to 4ax. Region. The shaded region is the required region and the vertical strip is PQ. Change of order of integration. Strip horizontal strip and point of intersection. Substitute y equal to 2 root ax in y equal to x square by 4a. 2 root ax equal to x square by 4a. 4ax equal to x power 4 by 16a square. 64a cube equal to x power 4. 64a cube x minus x power 4 equal to 0. And then x cube equal to 64a cube. Then x equal to 4a. If x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, x equal to 4a, y equal to 2 root ax equal to 2 root 4a square, then y equal to 4a. 0 equal to 0 comma 0 and a equal to 4a comma 4a. Limits y limits equal to y equal to 4a, and then x limits minus x equal to y square by 4a, x equal to 2 root ay. Area equal to integral x equal to 0 to 4a, integral y minus x square by 4a to 2 root ay dy by dx equal to integral y equal to 0 to 4a and integral x equal to y square by 4a to 2 root ay dx dy. Integral y equal to 0 to 4a of x y square by 4a to 2 root ay dy. Integral y equal to 0 to 4a of 2 root ay minus y square by 4a of dy equal to integral y equal to 0 to 2 root a 4a y into 1 by 2 dy minus 1 by 4a into integral 0 to 4a y square dy 2 root a into y 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 whole square 4a minus 1 by 4 4a into y cube by 3 whole power 4a. 2 root ax 2 by 3 4a into 3 by 2 minus 1 by 12a into 64a cube. 4 into a by 3 into 1 by 2 x into 2 square into 3 by x into a cube by a power 3 by 2 minus 64 by 12 a square. 32 by 3 into a square minus 64 by 12 a square into 128 minus 64 by 12 into a square equal to 16 a square by 3. Thank you.